This is Michelle Pereira, Chief Investment Officer at Canaccord Genuity Wealth Management. I'm here with my colleague Justin Oliver, who is Deputy Chief Investment Officer and who is going to tell us about technology and why it is an important theme in our investment portfolios. Justin, tell us a little bit, what's been happening in technology over the last 10 years?
I mean, the technology industry today is almost unrecognisable from what it was 10 years ago and even 20 years ago. It's such a fast changing area. So that's when a lot of people talk about the FAANGs, so Facebook and Amazon, Netflix and Google. Technology for us, it's not about those sort of companies. Yes, they're important now, but they won't necessarily be in 10 years' time.
It must be really tricky to try and anticipate the next trend, the next technology, the one that's going to work as opposed to the one that's, the former Betamax or something. How do you do that?
Actually, I don't think we can. I think even the technology managers that we invest with don't know with full certainty which company is going to be around in 10 years' time. Again, we look at something like, you mentioned Betamax, we talk about Nokia. So, it used to have a market cap of $250 billion. Now it's an irrelevance. So actually, the technology companies rise and fall with actually remarkable speed, quite frankly. So I think what's important is to get a broad understanding of the technologies as a whole, and make sure that we have investment into those overriding themes.
So how can you tell when a technology is actually going to translate into a good stock market return for investors?
As far as we're concerned, again, I think it's looking at those broader themes within the technology space, whether it's blockchain, robotics, automation, artificial intelligence. And actually, I think we should let the individual managers we invest with, who are closer to that universe, they understand the technology better than we ever will, let them make those sort of stock-specific decisions.
So tell us, why does technology deserve to be an important investment theme for us?
Because it's not going to go away. We know that within our everyday lives we are using technology more and more and more. And again, we're looking at areas where the adoption will become even greater. So again, we can talk about the medical services side, ingestible robots which you would effectively swallow down and they would undergo surgery, which clearly means that there's no pain, there's no incisions, no risk of infection. Now that might sound the stuff of science fiction, but these are developments which are being made today. And it's not just about the internet, it's not just about Facebook, it's not just about Google, it's about the broader investment universe.
Thank you very much, Justin.
Thank you.